Good evening. This is just a short video to explain the Irish spellings for this week. We have 5 more letters to go through, and then we have covered all the initial letter sounds of Irish. 2 of those are Irish letters that all the rules we've done so far apply to, and then there's 3 that are letters that appear in loan words, so words that come from other languages, and we kind of Irishize the spellings, and they don't follow the rules. You'll see in a sec as I go through them. Okay, so the first one. Also with these, excuse me, as I've explained to the class, they're all made with the back of your throat, so the on glides, so the W and the Y glides that you hear in Irish are more apparent. So like Garrod is my name, and Gaelga is the language you're speaking. Or if you go to a Gael skull, it's not a Gael skull, and my name isn't Garrod. Just yeah. Anyway, back to this. So G, 2 sounds again. The broad sound protrude the lips, and like a G in English, but just with the lips protruded. So it's G, G, G. The slender sound, back of the throat, grimace again, and it's G, 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 and then G in English. And C is the broad sound first, protrude the lips, K, K, and slender sound, grimace, bring back of the mouth, K, K. Okay, so the other 3 letters that aren't traditionally Irish are in some Irish words are J, pronounced exactly like in English, so J, and Z, exactly like in English, Z. And then the H, if it's not the Shevu, which we'll cover next week, if a word begins with a H, it's a loan word from English, so it's the H sound. Okay, I'll go through the spellings for this week. So again, anyone with an orange dot means it's a broad sound, so protruding the lips out, and anyone with a green dot means it's a slender sound, so it's palatalize, grimace, and say it. Okay, the first one is caw, k-aw, caw. So caw is where, right? Caw will, where is, yeah, so where. The next one, it's all broad, so it's all out in front. It's couple, 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 horse. The next one, slender, grimace, cane, 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 which is cane out what. The next one is, if you go, it's all broad, but if you're going by the sounds, it should be goffa, goffa, but for some reason in Connacht they say guffa. But yeah, sorry, it probably should have chosen a different example. Okay, the next one, so goffa means you're addicted to something, you're really taken with something. The next one is all slender, and it's glick, glick, and it's cute or cunning. Next word, gay, slender, gay, so that means it is goose. Next one, broad, gossur, gossur, gossin, or young man, young boy. These are the 3 loan words. Hotta, job, zoo. Hat, job, zoo. Again, loan words are English.